Good morning from Koggala, Sri Lanka. I'm out here early, around 8 a.m, to beat the Sri Lankan heat. If you're a solo traveler like me, you have to try this river safari. The best part? This entire journey cost me just £10. It's a steal for what you get to see. Here's the first few minutes of my Koggala riverboat safari. Look at these mangroves. The reflection on the water is so still, it's therapeutic. Everything is just green. Koggala is a coastal lagoon ecosystem. This means the fresh water from the river meets the salty water from the Indian Ocean. Mangroves are one of the few plants in the world that can filter salt. They thrive here because the water is brackish, a mix of salt and fresh, which is exactly what they need to grow. Their complex root systems, those fingers sticking out of the water, hold the soil together so the river doesn't wash away the small islands and riverbanks. These trees act as a natural buffer against high winds and waves coming from the ocean, protecting the inland villages. The locals actually make a delicious drink called Kerala from the fruit of these mangrove bushes. It's a must-try. Behind the mangroves, you'll see the coconut trees. Moving through the mangroves feels like the river is giving you a hug. It's a little bit cloudy in this direction because the boat is running ahead, right into the sunlight. But don't worry, you can still see how beautiful it is. These trees actually protect this little bit of land naturally. It's like a hidden paradise. Look at this. The boat is heading straight for these massive stones sitting in the middle of the river. You can see them reflecting in the water. I'll be honest, I was a little bit nervous. I was thinking, how is he going to get this boat through there? But look, so we're going right through the middle. The driver is so experienced. That was such a cool, different experience. Oh wait, look over there. There's a man on his boat right inside the bushes, picking Kerala. That's the fruit I was telling you about from the mangrove tree. As we move further, we pass some locals out on their boats. This isn't just a tour, it's a living community. Seeing them fishing so peacefully is part of the charm of Koggala. It really adds to that feeling of a virtual tour I wanted to share with you. We are coming to the end of our journey on the Koggala River. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. Seeing the mangroves and the local life was so therapeutic for me. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. Was it the reflections or the narrow squeeze between the stones?